This is the Gold Belt video for Class 3. The activity for today is around version control merging. So you're going to learn about merging and version control. I've given you some instructions to follow along, and you're going to use whatever Git tool you want to use. I do recommend learning Git extensions, but definitely play around with the built-in tools for both Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code, as well as learning Git Bash. Learning some commands on the command line on the Bash CLI is very, very useful as well. You're also welcome to download Source Tree. So if you wanted to use that one as well, but definitely take a learn. What we're learning is about version control merge. So take some time, work through that exercise, and see if you can understand the questions that I'm asking towards the end of that exercise. Then for the actual exercise, we're going to be moving on to a rich client application where you're going to add new functionality. So once again, we're going to add a test and use test-driven development, or the white belt kata, to run through and not only add the functionality, but also make sure that it is working at the end of it. So that's the goal. Good luck on it.